Hello guys, this is Belnoda Pratik, report from Namma Bengaluru. Today I'm going to introduce all new Skoda Octave from the brand called Skoda India. In Skoda Octave will cost you 36 lakh rupees on your price in in Bengaluru city. In Skoda Octave we have two models, one is a style variant and another is the LNK variant. He is the top end variant. In Skoda Octave, we'll get 8 airbags as a standard safety fitment. 8 airbags we will get front is dual airbags and we get side curtain airbags and we got seat airbags we get. 10-speed drive and 7-speed dual clutch auto and 4-door sedan monocoque and it weighs around 1459 kgs. The tire size on 205 50 by R17. The space wheel comes around 125 by 70 R18 space saver around 10.4 meters. All new Skoda Octavia 2021 gets all new LED tail lights. Skoda LNK trims wheels divide option raised ride height evident at wheels. Skoda Octavia top end LNK event gets a LED DRL pattern is subtitle linked to Quadra headlamp pre-reserve. This is Skoda Octavia LNK variant. This is Skoda. Skoda Octavia top end LNK variant misses out on a sunroof. It's not engineered to accommodate one. Got 4 power windows, Homeby electric disable mirrors, door handlebar, bottle holder, that's the dicky opening, light control, wooden finish, AC vents. We got wiper controls, start and stop finish. There's an automatic top end variant LNK, we got only clutch and brake executive I got. And that's the Skoda logo, all digital meter. You get speedometer, RPM, everything is there in that meter only. And like same like Skoda Super Bully. All new Skoda Octavia has a knuckle steering roller buttons are super bike crafted. And in the center we got airbags. Left we got all the calling and musical function. It's a 2-speed alloy wheel. That's the digital meter. Right, you can see there's an RPM meter. That's a speed meter vehicle. And we got some pedal shifters I got, and left here I got the cruise control, the headlight options are there. You can see. And all new Skoda Octavia has a sharply front seats offer great support, lumbar adjust aid comfort. Control seats, adjustable seats I got. All new Skoda Octavia hatchback tail opens really high. Powered opening / closing comes in handy. I got the button here. Skoda Octavia is true to tradition. The boot has a luggage capacity of 600 liters. We got some for the seat control, seat rooming control we have got here. So 46 seats, and in the here we got all the tool options. We got jack in other tool, and down the tool we got an multi one. We got 60-40 seat option, and we got some for keeping things we got rack folder. It isn't very good. Right, for closing I'll show you guys. Just press this thing. letting adjust. It's sitting there. Coming to the passenger seat, we got door handle part, mirrors, we got power windows, bottle holder. Plastic finish, plastic finish. AC vents, we got AC vents, wooden finish. And we got the chilled glow box settings, so the same like the Superb. And this is the multi system. Might be 10-inch or 8.7 proper video. Might say like Superb we got touchscreen. It's an Android CarPlay. Android and Apple CarPlay system I got. And I don't have the key to showcase you on this car feature. This is I got all the climatic controls I got set, park assist, hazard lights, lock, climate control, maximum, rear. There's a two AC ones I got. Same Super Leaf I got. Nice one. I got the power window, we got the multi system. Total in this car, we got 8 airbags. I got 8 airbags, front 2 airbags, Cullinan airbags, and seat are going to get in this car. We got telephonic, radio, media, navigation, assist system, sound, manual, smart link, vehicle, background lighting. We got ambient lighting also. We got in settings. We got the settings in this. In settings, I got screen. Some videos are there. Details. This is around 12 batteries, almost empty. Different system is available system they are telling. Stuff. That's the system, yes. Battery is none of that is what system. That's the system. Simple thing. 2 AC ones again, and this got some. Maybe it is a wireless charger. We got a wireless charger. Consider wireless charger super. All new Skoda Octavia has a stubby gear selector sits in place of the traditional gear lever. Secret bottle holder and ashtray. There's a parking brake and they got some features I got. And we got some chiller go armrest with chiller go. We can keep a pallet and personal thing here. We got vanity mirror with a LED light we have got. Same like the Superb, we got Superb, and here in this we have got some lights, light to 4 lights, reading lights I got, off button, passenger airbags I got, mirrors I got, and we got sunglass holder, AC, but luckily in Octave also we don't get this sunroof for the 4th generation. Only the 10 Octave had a sunroof. Super has a sunroof, but Octave don't have a sunroof, and that's a minus point for Octavia. And here also we have got LED light with vanity light LED lights for the driver's seat, same like Superb only. And we got door handlebars. Open Octavia, we got Skoda logo is there on the same like Superb. We got back seat, very comfortable seats. The knees are very good and comfortable. This much the seat people can sit, army can sit. And here in the right seat we got door handlebar. We got sun visor, this is a sun visor, door handle, power windows. We got some bottle holder I got, and that's the passenger seat. And coming to center, we have got we get seat type charging socket will get, AC vents will get. We don't get this socket in the back seat, and that's the front view of the car. Here we got some 4 reading lights we get, and here they also we got sun visor we get, and there's a door handle bar and bottle holder we get, and here yes again, no showing it. All new Skoda Octavia has even big build 6-footers will be comfy at the back. Space is good and seat is well bolstered. Here we got some. Here also we get some bottle holder, and we got armrest. Filling this we can get completely 2 people can sit. Adult like my big adult can sit. Center only child can sit. Because center there's an armrest now. You may not be comfortable to sit in the back side, and that's the armrest there also. There's 3 extras we get. Center and armrest now. Comfortably only for the child you can sit in the center, and nice feature. I'm very comfortably sitting in the back side. No kind of. All new Skoda Octavia has a rear sunscreen position just off the rear headrests. we have got comfortable seats. We have got guys, comfortable seats. This was a 64 seat you can press on. Nice and very nice cool car guys. Like superly shared the van, but this is an Elegant Skoda Octavia Elegant top end variant we got. How much I have told you about much is there. That's a very good comfortable seat and Elegant army can sit in. So this comfortable seats are left get let is it. Front we get a motion seats in the for the passenger side. For driver seat, for passengers will get motion. I think so. Or might be the pull seat as in the pull seat in the driver in the passenger seat. Driver there's a motion seats only, and I don't have the key to show you. Yesterday Bangalore price currently 3650. One mid variant and top end barata. Mid variant ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ variant?
ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಏರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಏರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
The engine section ಅಲ್ಲ. All new Skoda Octavia gets a 2-liter TSI petrol engine which produces 4-cylinder 1848cc turbo petrol which gives around 190 bhp at 4200 rpm to 6000 rpm at 320 Nm torque at 1500 to 4000 rpm.
The width difference ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That is a major difference.
Same super terrain is the body but length of difference ಇದೆ. But long train same super terrain long train also. Headlight and difference ಇದೆ. Headlight super terrain ಇದೆ difference ಇದೆ headlight ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲ LED headlamps.
ಸೂಪರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ.
ಹೌದು.
ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಹೆಡ್ಲೈಟ್. ಸೂಪರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಏರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಟಾಪ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ 8 ಏರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್. ಮಿಡ್ ವೇರಿಯಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 20 ಏರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್ 2 ನ.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಡ್ ವೇರಿಯಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಡ್ ವೇರಿಯಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಏರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್?
ಸ್ಟೈಲಲ್ಲೂ 8 ಏರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಯಿಂದ. ಇದು ಕೀಟ್ ವಸ್ತದೆ ಹಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೀಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ Octavia key guys. For Octavia key we got lock, boot opening lock, very premium touch key we got.